Investing your own money into your own business can be one of the best investments you'll ever make in your life, but you've got to know what the return on that investment is likely to be. I can tell you that most sustainable businesses have a ROIC, a return on invested capital, of about 50%. Some of the best businesses, 150%. That means if you put $20,000 extra into your business this year, let's say you're going to buy more inventory or hire a new person, that you would get back $30,000 worth of profit at the end of the year. $20,000 in at 150% ROIC is $30,000 profit. So you can see why that's an amazing investment. However, you have to have the growth plan to make that work. If you don't have a growth plan to put that money to work, then you might as well be investing in the stock market at 6, 8, 10%, or in a certificate of deposit at your bank at 2, 3, 4%, right? Know your ROIC. Go to Investopedia and look up the equation for return on invested capital, all the profit that you make divided by all the cash that you have in your business, and decide whether you have a growth plan that can return the profit to you based on more investment put in. Good luck with that. I think it's the best investment you can make if you know how to use it.